how to copy your profile link on Snapchat in 2022. It is a really simple process, so if you want to give your link so somebody finds your profile easier, here's how you do it. First off, we want to go to our profile, we click on the left corner with our icon, and after we have reached this page, all we have to do is click on this share icon, which is on the left of the gear icon. So just click on this, and here you can either share your profile or you can copy the link to your profile, this very first option. So if I copy it like that, link copied, you should get this prompt. Now if we go back and just confirm that this actually copied it, I'm gonna go to the chats like that, paste it, and as you can see, you have officially copied your Snapchat profile link and people can click on it. Alright, if this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye.